Hello everyone, here is a bonus clip from Rodney's Amsterdam apartment tour. For more, check out the full episode on Abra YouTube channel. On episode 11 of the apartment tour series, we spent a few hours with Rodney as he showed us around his home. Rodney is 23, an interior stylist, a student, and a lover of minimal design with a knack for vintage IKEA furniture. This is his take on inspiration and how he creates his space.
When it comes to your space, how do you pick the dining area and the kitchen? They work really well, kind of like the bedroom.
I feel like I always do trial and error because I also had like a bigger table and then got rid of it. I feel like it's trial and error and then you see if it works for your space. I really like a light and airy place. I tend to have like a lot of clutter, but I try to keep it as minimal as possible. That's like my goal. I think I get more inspiration from other homeowners, like on social media, Instagram, or maybe even TikTok.
Greetings! My name is Abra and I am a Parisian content creator. I designed the apartment tour series as a space to explore cool homes while talking to the people who create them. I started the series with mostly Parisian apartment tours I filmed with my friends. Since then, I've been able to travel, make London apartment tours, Brooklyn apartment tours. I also filmed in Berlin, New York City, Brussels. Next, in season 2 of this apartment tour series is a special episode I filmed in the coziest Parisian apartment. This is one of the last 3 episodes before the end of the season. The apartment tour series, season 2, now counts 8 episodes, all available on my YouTube channel at Abra. If you'd like to be featured in the series, message me on social media or simply drop me an email. Feel free to also tag below anyone you'd like to see featured. See you all soon. Bye!